Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active free premium, and into this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Factory reset could be useful if you want to sell your watch to somebody, give it away, or maybe you want to connect it with a different device. Other cases could be trying to fix your watch, but it's not really a great way to fix your watch because you'll lose your data from the watch. It's like a last resort, I would say. Okay, so let's get started. So to factory reset our watch, we need to make sure that the battery level on our watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage our watch. So make sure that the battery is charged. Once you do, we can continue, and now we need to open the menu, and you can do it by pressing the lower button or by swiping left on the home screen. Once you open the menu, scroll through it and look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings, of course. Now in settings, scroll down, find the option called the system, and once you find it, tap on it. Now scroll down, find the option called factory reset, select it. As you can see here, we have the message that we lose all of our data and settings from the watch if we factory reset the watch, but you can also choose some data to retain. Basically, you can check the boxes next to the data. And you have local music, maps, App Store apps, watch faces, and workout history. So you can select the boxes if you want to keep some of the data. And once you decide to factory reset your watch, tap on confirm. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.